And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and dance preparation movement. We start with natural pivot turn and continue with overturned spin turn. First bar is syncopated. Then we dance turning lock to right to promenade position. From here a running weave from promenade position, first bar. We continue with tumble turn, which is feather finish and reverse pivot. Then left whisk. From here we dance natural pivots. And Rudolph Ronde with slip pivot, and then open telemark noticed ladies heel turn. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, start with preparation movement, and we move diagonally to wall with natural pivot turn. First bar moves diagonally to wall, pivot itself down line of dance. We continue with overturn spin turn, down line of dance, and around the corner spin itself. Then down new line of dance we move with turning lock to right to promenade position. Diagonally to center we move with running weave from promenade position. In same direction tumble turn and down line of dance left whisk, after which we move against line of dance with natural pivots, Rudolph Ronde against line of dance and down line of dance slip pivot and open telemark, which we finish diagonally to wall into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.